Hello friends, in today's video we will see iPhone's complete collection from iPhone 8 64GB to iPhone 14 Pro 128GB, 13 Pro Max 256GB, iPhone 13 Pro 1TB. As you can see here, gold color 1TB stock available, Note 20 Ultra at the best price, Note 10 at exclusive price, S21 5G mobiles. Here you can see S22 256GB variant. This all will be at the best and cheapest and best quality. So friends, please subscribe our channel Hyderabad Business and follow for regular. You will see regular updates on our YouTube channel. So please like, share and subscribe friends. So let's start. Hello friends, Raj here from Hyderabad Business. We deal in second hands and demo units of mobiles like exclusively Samsung A series, Note series, Fold series, Flip series, and like iPhones 13 Pro, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, S20 Ultra, Samsung Pixel 6 Pro, 7 Pro, all premium mobile you will get at the affordable price and very best price with the best and neat condition. So friends, today you will see here iPhone 12 Pro 256GB storage only at rupees 53,500 rupees, completely working, no dents, no repair, no damage, completely fine working condition at the best condition, like just like brand new condition, only at 53,500. So please join our Telegram channel and Instagram page. You will get link in description. So please follow our Instagram and Telegram for regular updates. So today we have also got 12 Pro Max battery health just 86%, 5G mobile at rupees only 57,500, completely working, completely fine, and all parts are original, no duplicates, no anything. You can go to service center and just go and check there. So 12 Pro Max again we have got at the battery health of 85% at only price 58,000 rupees. So after that we have got iPhone 13 5G mobile, iOS 17, you can update on it, and the price is for 256GB 52,500 and 46,500 128GB at brand new condition. You can see friends here, scratchless, brand new condition. After that we have got 13 Pro 128GB iPhone 13 Pro in green color only at rupees 73,000 rupees. As you can see here, condition completely working condition, Face ID and everything will go as smooth as brand new condition friends. So just like brand new condition you will get only at rupees 73,500 and 256GB 74,500 graphite color. Then again in best storage, who looking for the more storage than 256GB, we have got iPhone 13 Pro 1TB storage, battery health 88%, only at rupees 79,500 rupees gold color. After that we have got 13 Pro Max 256GB Sierra blue color only at rupees 79,500 rupees and 128GB 78,500 rupees. Just 1,000 rupees difference between 128 and 256GB. Again 13 we have got 13 Pro Max 128GB and 256GB also. So price already I told you, but you can see the condition, scratchless condition friends, brand new condition. So if you are looking to buy one, just come to our store, visit our store. We have two branches. One store is in Banjara Hills road number 12, 123 Mobile Banjara Hills road number 12, and another branch is Mobile Point Padmavati Plaza, Kukalpalli Housing Board. Both stores are in Hyderabad, and soon we are coming with the third branch in Amirpet with name of godofgadgets.in. So please share our YouTube channel to get maximum views and to get best and amazing deal in future. So we have also got iPhone 14 Pro with physical dual SIM friends only at rupees 92,500 rupees. 92,500 rupees purple color iPhone 14 Pro. So if you are looking to buy one, you know where it will get. So after that we have got iPhone 7 Plus. It's the basic range, 128GB only at 15,000 rupees, 32GB only at 13,000 rupees. iPhone 7 Plus 32GB only at rupees 13,000 rupees. So friends, I request you to visit. If you will get amazing products, offer and price. So 128GB again in red color, battery health with 100, only at rupees 15,000. After that we have got iPhone 8 in 64GB with three colors. I have got white, red and black color. So price is only 14,500. you can visit our store, Banjara Hills Road number 12 or Padmavati Plaza, Kukalpalli, wherever it's near to you. You can directly visit store and buy from us. iPhone 11 128GB, completely brand new condition, as same as brand new condition, friends. 128GB, only at rupees 29,500. 128GB, 29,500 rupees only. Same with again iPhone 11 128GB, 31,000. So in there sometime there will be a slightly condition difference, so you will get slightly price difference. This is 29,500 and this one is 31,500. I will comment here only. Some people will directly come to store. Please be particular with the mobiles. This is iPhone 11 128GB. This is also iPhone 11 128GB. Battery health 82% and 83. But the condition of this comes with the box. So friends, iPhone 11 Pro only at 33,500 rupees. iPhone 11 Pro 64GB, as new as same as new condition, friends. After that, iPhone 11 Pro 256GB storage. Once again, the best price 39,000 rupees only. 11 Pro 256GB storage comes with QLED display. iPhone 12 mini 64GB 5G device. Only just 8 rupees I will say, 31,500 rupees. 5G dual SIM card, one physical and one comes with eSIM card. Second, iPhone 12 mini 256GB, only at rupees 33,500. iPhone 12 64GB, only at rupees 35,000 5G device. After that, we have got Samsung Note 20 Ultra 50x camera zoom, comes with Super AMOLED display, comes with the stylus. So if you are looking to buy with stylus, if you are interior engineer or you have to draw something for the kids, or if you are looking for something best designs or like that, you can draw directly in your mobile with the stylus. Only at rupees 43,500 rupees. Samsung Note 20 Ultra, 12GB RAM, 128GB storage, Snapdragon processor. This is global market stock, that's why it's come with the Snapdragon processor. After that, we have got Samsung Flip 4, brand new, 7+ month warranty from Indian. So this price is only at rupees 49,999. So directly visit our store and buy the stock. You will get link of each and everything like Instagram, Telegram, Google Maps link. You will get in the description. Directly go to description and directly go to link and check by yourself only, friends. Join our Telegram channel for regular updates. Once again, I will repeat it. Pixel 7 Pro, 12GB RAM, 128GB storage. As condition is just like brand new. You can see, friends, just now I have on. So price is only at rupees 60,000. Directly visit store and you can make a purchase. After that, Pixel 6 Pro, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, only at rupees 33,500. Samsung S22, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, only at rupees 41,500. Samsung S10 Plus, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, only at rupees 22,500. Samsung S20, 12GB RAM, 128GB storage, both are beautiful colors. Only Snapdragon processor. Price is only at rupees 21,000. 21,000 curved screen, best condition phones. Samsung Note 10, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, only at rupees 25,000. Slide display, curved screen. You can see as brand new condition. You can see, friends, brand new condition. Scratchless condition, only at rupees 25,000. Samsung Note 10 comes with Snapdragon processor. Last, Samsung S21 5G mobile, very handy, very particularly size in your hand, it will directly be a fitting. So if you are looking to buy one, only at rupees 28,500. And this is also 5G mobile, comes with dual SIM card. So these all mobiles we have for today. And for regular updates, join our Telegram. Once again I will say it, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates, and please share to your friends and family in Telegram channels and also on WhatsApp group like family group, friends group. So they will also know about our store and they will also get offer whatever the price will be. You will get the best price from the market, cheapest se cheapest, best se best in our 1 to 3 mobiles. and this is all like comes with the 15 August Independence Day offer. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please follow us on our Instagram page and Telegram for regular updates. Thank you friends.